Let's move on to the writing task. This is the situation. When internet users share information, the social media records people's choices and preferences. The information is mostly used for commercial purpose to promote goods to target consumers. However, this is also perceived as a new way to infringe people's privacy. You are a school reporter. Write an article for the school newsletter to outline the background of privacy infringement and give 2 suggestions on how different stakeholders should help protect personal privacy. Give your article a title. So obviously, today we're going to learn problem solution essay. So here are the steps. First, you need to read the exam question carefully and identify the problem. Okay? Make a list of solutions to the problem. Number 3, step 3, decide which solution is the most effective, feasible, the most important. Arrange them in the order of importance or effectiveness. Present the most effective solution first in your essay and followed by the next most effective solution and so on. And step 4, write a conclusion. So how do we achieve these? Now let's come to the writing worksheet. Before we write, every time we need to consider these 5 things: text type, your role, audience, purpose of writing, and the style and tone. So the text type is, obviously it is an article because it's set in the question, write an article for the school newsletter. So we type article. And what about your role? You are a school reporter. So school reporter, that will be your role. Now, who is your audience? Who is your audience? That means who are going to read what you write for the school newsletter. So obviously that will be your classmates, your schoolmates, your teachers, or maybe your principal, or even the general public. Okay. What about your purpose of writing? In a question, it asks you to write an article for the school newsletter to outline the background of privacy infringement and give 2 suggestions on how different stakeholders should help protect personal privacy. This is your purpose of writing. Okay, so we can simply copy and paste right over here. And what about the tone and the style? It's article on school newsletter, so it is supposed to be a formal tone, or we can say semi-formal as well. Semi-formal is also acceptable. All right. Now let's move on to page 3 of the writing worksheet. As said earlier, we're going to learn to write the problem solution essay today with a 5C model. And the 5C includes conflict, causes, consequences, and corrections. And this is the overall structure of the problem solution essay. So in your introduction, you need to tell us about the conflict. What is the conflict mentioned in the question? What is the cause? That means you need to tell us about the background information of the issue, like how serious is the problem, how are they affected, and when will the problem happen? Where will it take place? Okay, so these are all the guiding questions that guide your thoughts when you write. Okay, so when you proceed, in your body paragraph, basically there will be 3 body paragraphs, right? So in your body paragraph 1, you need to tell us about the causes of the conflict. Like, why do companies want to collect people's information from the internet? Are people aware of the fact that they were tracked or they were being stalked? And what are the consequences of the problem actually? Okay, for example, the thieves may know your daily routines and break into your home. But of course, you can tell us your ideas. You don't need to be exactly the same as what I think, okay? So when you proceed to paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, you can start talking about the solutions that you suggest to solve the problem. So, like internet users should make use of privacy settings, employing a third party to secure your privacy, as mentioned in Tech Talk. And of course, you need to tell us about the effects. What effects will be seen if people take your suggestion? Okay, and please add your own elaboration. And for your last paragraph, it comes to your conclusion. You need to restate the actions you want people to take. What is the purpose of taking these actions? Okay, um, what desirable results will be seen? Okay, so that's it.